can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be. We were younger and free. Anyway, I'm waiting for the cab right now because I'm all about the bass, but the bass no trouble. I can't even finish what I have, guys. So we're gonna have leftover. Hi guys, good morning. It's 11 o'clock already. I just came down. Well, I get up like 7 o'clock. I got up 7 o'clock. They're playing now. Look at that. She is more fluffier when she's after shower. The hair is all like out. It's not so well. Look at that. Look, she did it again. She's dry. I blow dry her. It smells so good. What do you like? You put your head now in the couch. Look at this. Look at this white tail. Look at what is it? Huh? What is it? Wow. You keep doing that. Get down. Get down. Get down. Where is Misty? Go get Misty. Misty! Good morning, guys! Good morning, Rox! She put it in Misty's back to hold the bone. Look at that. You're so crazy. You're so crazy, Roxy. She put it. She put it in Misty's back. So different this morning. I've been wanting to go out. No, I don't mean that OUT, like you go OUT. When I mentioned OUT, she just started looking at me and then stopped eating like they want to go. Right? I don't mention out. Look. I really want to go out. Look, Roxy's face. No, it doesn't mean that you go OUT. It's like crazy. I mean to go out for like she get crazy. What do you mean? It doesn't mean that you go out. It's just really Mama want to go for lunchy. Mama wants to go out for lunch. You're so cute. Yes, I just wanna go out for lunch. Look, she's going crazy. No, not that OUT out over there. It's just me. I feel like going out for lunch, out to buy some for dinner vegetables, out for like just to go out in the porch. Look, she sit beside me. She sit beside me. Look, she go crazy. Look, she whine already. What a morning, Roxy. Mama's stomach hurt. Mama's stomach hurt, so I don't want to go out. Okay, I don't want to go out because Mama hurt. Okay, I'm not gonna mention out anymore. I'm just gonna say OUT. I love you so much. Because I love you. Nah, I love you. I love you that much. Nah, I love you so much now. Wait. What, do you want to go out in the back? Who wants to go in the back? You want to go out in the... Who wants to go in the back? Backyard. Out in the backyard. Want to go? Even the ground is wet? You still want to go? Seriously? What is it, Misty? This is my morning talking to my dogs. Because they're fun to talk to, right? You guys are fun to, especially if I sit out, right, Rox? Especially if I say go, let's go. Let's go. Who wants to go? Who wants to go? Are you ready to go? That face. That face. The face. The fish. The fish. No, I love you. Okay, let's go. Let's go out. Let's go out. They're so happy, guys. Hi, guys. Is it normal that the dog eat grasses? Like this dog, every time they go outside, they go into that side in the corner and just keep eating grass. Anyway, guys, also if you know that, just leave me a comment. She's always want my attention. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here now. Come here. You want mama's attention all the time, right? You want mama's attention all the time. Gosh, intush, oh, intush. She want my attention all the time. She doesn't like to be yelled at. But you know what? Because she's a hard head, she get yelled. Especially when she attack the cat. Not attack, like she want to jump in the cat all the time. She is clingy. I like her hair, guys. If you touch her hair, it's very soft. Not like Misty. Misty's hair is very rough. Roxy's hair is very soft. It's the soft hair. When we get her, I don't know if you guys see her when she's a kid, when she's a little baby. I will put the picture in this side here. Face. This face is not like that. It's like very short face. And she's the cutest puppy in the world. Right, Rox? Everybody will walk her when we're walking with her. Everybody say, oh my god, stop over and just look. You know, she's very pretty. But because she is growing up, her face also is growing like forward. Why is the rocks? Why is it, baby? Why you don't stay like that cute? You're still cute. You're still very cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. But I wish this one not growing. Yeah, your face is growing too. No, I love you. Look at the other one over there. I don't know if you can see it. Roxy. Look how cute she is. Look how pretty her eyes. Her eyes has been like that since a baby. Blue eyes. Blue eyes. She has a blue eyes. This one have a dark brown eyes. Dark brown. Dark brown. I'm reading all your comments, guys, for my previous, the one that I love annoying my husband. Yeah, sabi ni Maria Barque, I'm sorry. Sabi ni Maria, make annoy your husband. I love to see it, MaryAnn. When you make funny more with your husband, love it. Okay, I love annoying my husband anyway. And sana, sana hindi ako masapak nito. Living, I love annoying him. Off camera. I love annoying him. And Ima Magsiko says, haha, natawa naman ako sis sa car check-up. You're so cute. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Emma. Anyway, it's just like, parang check-up na rin, diba? Pero nakalimutan ko na naman. I forgot again. I just watch it back to, to see what's the name of it. Check-up or inspection. Black Flag 420. Your vid always makes me laugh and the food looks good too. Really have to try. Yeah. And thank you, guys. It's really nice to see all these comments like this. Like I make you laugh even though I'm so like corny or it's kind of boring sometimes. But right, Rox? What are you looking over there, Roxy? Okay. You're scary. You're staring in there. Anyway, yeah, it's nice to hear you guys enjoying my video and makes you laugh. Thank you, Black Flag 420. Shamra Rai, it's Daisy Flower. Yeah, guys, thank you. Daisy, Shamra Rai, and Maria. No, Shamra Rai and Granny GBGGB. You guys, thank you guys so much for letting me know about this flower. It's DC. And yeah, I remember because it really looks familiar. I remember my grandma have a lot of flower in the back, in the front yard, and they have different kind of flowers, like different kind hanging in the ground. I see a lot of these. They don't grow really long, right guys? They don't grow like this. They just like grow like very short, like here, and the leaves is kind of straight like that, and then the DC is just keep like growing like that. So yeah, and also Whitney Kenny. Hi, thank you for subscribing, Whitney Kenny. And I will subscribe back in your channel. I just saw your comment, it went to spam because every time it says about, new subscriber, and you can, subscribe back on my channel, it go direct. I don't know why YouTube do that, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. Oh, anyway, guys, before I put the camera down, I would like to say thank you to my latest subscriber, Taron Nobly. Thank you for subscribing. Helen Smith, thank you for subscribing. Emma Magsico, thank you for subscribing my channel. And Anaj Hirogana, thank you. And Maria Bar, there we go again, it's hard to pronounce. Maria Bargu, and 52 Vamp, Chirilo Avillada. Yeah, thank you to all of you. Thank you for subscribing. Black Flag, Miss Christy T2, Tiris Lakibal. Yeah, thank you to all of you. Thank you guys for subscribing my channel. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if all of this would like to me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to hell yeah, but I ain't done much like, hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be. We were younger and free. I've forgotten how it feels before the world fell at our feet. There's such difference between us and the million miles. Heal from the other side. I must have called it tons of times. Tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but never sent to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I tried. It's a lot. Sorry for breaking your heart, but that's not hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself, I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out at that time? Nothing ever happened. It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called it thousand times. What would I do without you? Telling me you ain't kicking me out. Would you go this minute? Don't get it, I can't put you down. What can you do about me for mine? I'm a medical mystery line, and I'm so busy. No one for me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm doing fine. You're crazy and I'm alive. Follow me, yes, follow me. Love your curves and your lips, all your perfect imperfections. Give you all to me, give you my all to you. You're my everything, everything that I lost from you. So give you all to me, give you all to me. How many times have I had to tell you? Every day I cry, you're beautiful to you. Words of you, when I'm down on you, when I'm giving you. You're my downfall, you're my muse. Where's destruction, my hidden blues? I can't stop singing to you. With you, my head's underwater, but I'm holding fine. You're crazy and I'm holding mine. 'Cause all of me, yes, all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, I give you all. So good it was, I saw it every day. I know I wanna come and get you with me. Don't say it, please. I said, let me see your face. It's not a thing I will change. Hi to G Sataran. G Sataran, thank you for subscribing, sis. We decided to go out to the diner, which is close to our place. I'm sorry about my bra is like on my oh bird. Anyway, I'm waiting for the cab right now because I'm all about the base, but the base no trouble. Huh? Anyway, yeah, so I'm just waiting for the cab. It's not really far, so it's very close to our area. This is the different about the house that we moved in. It's gonna be so different from this house. This house is close to everything. Up there is far from everything. So yeah, it's gonna be so different. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have dinner with me and my mother-in-law today. Oh my god, I hear thunder. I think it's going to rain very soon, but the cloud is very clear though. Anyway, guys, can you hear a lot of birds? Can we just look at in the cloud for now, guys? Can we just enjoy the where is the sun? The sun is right there. Can we just enjoy the mother earth and the heaven and the clouds and the tree? Yeah, it's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's kind of cloudy up there. Look up there. Look how nice is the clouds. You see the birds. Look what we have, guys. It's so good. Grilled chicken and broccoli wrap. The same with my mother-in-law. Yeah. You will get it? Yeah, it's same thing. That's fine. Yeah, we're having the same thing. We're just gonna take pictures. I can't even finish what I have, guys. So we're gonna have leftover. Hello, guys. I just came down from the bedroom. My husband just got home, and I'm just going to end the vlog. In the vlog, he's having dinner. Yeah, he's having dinner. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog now, and I will see you in my next vlog. Tomorrow we're going upstate, and yeah. So good night, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Night night.